And welcome back to another video. This is Crypto Coins, and in this video we're going to see what it's like to be invested in Metaverse Pro, the new DAO project that was released about 5 days ago. And I was very early on getting into this position, and based on my research I thought it was a great opportunity. And the way I found this project was through Discord. So Discord is free if you would like to join. We're talking about different projects every day and different things that are happening in the crypto space. So make sure to join. It's free. Links down below. Let's get to the video. So I did a little bit of research when I started this position 5 days ago, and I've been trying to recycle some of my gains from other DAO projects, and I'm always constantly looking for the next opportunity. Now, I'm a little slow when it comes to getting into new projects because I only have a certain amount of money that I continuously recycle into new projects. These are all new projects. They could be risky. We don't know what's going to happen, and we have seen some of these DAO projects get rug pulled. So I set a small amount of money that I want to use to invest in these projects, and I'm going to continue to lock in profits and recycle that money. So far, I've been investing for about a month now in these DAO projects, and it's been very interesting. Metaverse Pro has been the best performing DAO project for me as of now. Previously, Wonderland Time took the gold medal, but now Metaverse Pro came in strong. I got into it very early on, and I think this is why it's paying off. Now, Wonderland Time had an amazing rally from the time that it hit the markets, but I was late on that. So I'm happy to say that I captured Metaverse Pro at the best possible time. Okay, let's look at some numbers here and see what it's doing. If we go to CoinMarketCap, we can see that today it's up 35%, and it's currently trading at 363. When I first mentioned this project, we had about 1,200 people here watching Metaverse Pro on the watch list. It was fairly new. That was 5 days ago. Now we're seeing a increase of numbers now closer to 5,000. That's it. That's about a 4x change here on the watch list. So now it's starting to be a little bit more commercial. People are talking about it, and people are getting into this project. Green numbers across the board. If we look at the 7-day chart, we had some sideways trading, and then we got a dip here that might have shooken off a few people. It rallied up here on the 25th, but then came back down, holding above the 150 level, and this was the launch pad for this project. From here and never look back, and it's off to the races. I have some really good numbers. I'm very excited for this project, and we're gonna go over my calculator to see how I'm playing this. I'm very happy and pleased. This is giving me the returns I was expecting in 3 weeks and 1 week, and I'm pretty close to making some moves here as far as closing a portion of this position. I'm not going to yet, and I think there's still some more runway for this project for me personally, for my investment. So I'm gonna hold on a few more days, and hopefully the holidays here, a lot of people are noticing this new project, and we see this rally follow through up until tomorrow. So that's kind of what I'm expecting right now. And for those of you who joined early on with me, congrats. I hope you guys are making some sweet money and holding strong there. Just like when I bought in around 220. I did see this dip here, held, not a problem. This is a longer term position for me, or up until it delivers my price targets. And I'm looking into locking in some profits around once it hits $500. That is my price target, closer to $500. If you guys held strong here at 161, we are now getting rewarded. We're getting rewarded for not locking in those losses and holding through. And this is a new project. It's barely getting that attention, and now it's getting a little bit more commercialized. The market cap currently is now at $36 million. This was in the low 20s. Now we're at 36 million. Good to see that. Maybe we go towards 100 million. That would be amazing. So plenty of runway here for Metaverse Pro, and I'm really enjoying this investment. Let's look at my position. So currently, right now, I have 5.0299 S Meta. So S Meta is what you receive when you stake your Meta. And the next reward here is 0.0049. It's a yield of 0.0989, and it's still paying a very nice 5-day rate of 12.6%. When I started investing here, I started with about 4.5 coins. I've already earned 0.5 coins. Very, very nice. It's paying a 580,000 APY, and yes, this number will continue to go down as more people invest in here. And I was able to capture about a 1.1 million, 1.2 million APY, and now we're down to 580. So I did get some nice appreciation early on and got it at a decent price and at a good APY. So that's what to expect if you're a subscriber and you join my Discord. We join these kind of projects early on, and I'm very selected. I don't flood my feeds with a million different projects. I'm focused on a selected few, and I wait until those pay off, and then we move on to the next one. So I'm loving this action here. Metaverse Pro, a nice winner, and I'm already going to consider this a nice winner based on my entry. It already delivered, and it's now also showing here single staking and wrap balance. So I guess it splits it if you're I'm not sure what the single staking is, but wrap balance is if you wrap your S Meta for those tax implications. Now I don't know the process how to wrap it for Metaverse Pro yet. I haven't dived into that yet, but when you wrap your staking rewards that is based out of the current index, I get this question often as well, like how do you determine the value of the wrap Meta? The current index always rises here, and it has that APY implemented into the current index, which then appreciates the position of your wrap Meta. So I don't know how to wrap this yet. I just haven't looked into it, and maybe I'll make a video about that. But in most cases, I don't think you should worry about tax implications and wrapping your Meta, because we're all using, in most cases, Trust Wallet and MetaMask wallets. And these wallets are not know your customer. They don't have your personal information. So in most cases, I think this is just an extra step that is unnecessary. And personally, I don't wrap my staking rewards. That's just me. Now, if you have this in a wallet where they know your information, then maybe that's something to consider. So far, been very pleased. Things are looking good, and we're gonna see what this bad boy is about. Let's take a look at my calculator. I started this investment November 22nd, and I put $1,000. I read up on it, I was excited about it, and I think I had a great shot. And this is why it's important to watch every one of my videos. I actually shared my position on another video that was not a just Metaverse Pro video. It was the new DAO projects, where I went over different projects. So it's very important to watch each video from beginning to end. I always have comments and questions and tutorials on each one from different crypto DAO projects and crypto information. It's very important to watch each project for that reason, because you don't know where the opportunities are going to come. There's a lot of things happening every day, and I like to put all those events into one video. So if we go back here, November 22nd, 5 days ago now, it's November 27th, I invested $1,000, and in that investment, this is the history transaction here. So $1,000, I bought it at a price of $221, and I received 4.5 coins. And since then, I have not bought anything else. Currently, I have 5.0299 coins accumulated with my initial investment, and the market price for Metaverse Pro is currently trading at $358. That brings my position market value at $1,801.81. So that's a gain of $801 and a gain of 80.18%. Beautiful results. Amazing. 5 days. I'm almost at 100%. And once I get to 100%, I'm going to lock in some profits and let the rest ride. So my cash invested, $1,000. Coins bought, 4.5. Coins earned is 0.5189. Almost one full coin earned already. And here's the total gains. So let's put these numbers to see the chart to see it reflecting on the chart. I still only have $1,000 invested. The current market price is $358.22, and the market value of my portfolio is $1,801.81. So let's look at the chart and see how that looks. Nice, very nice looking chart here. It's been 5 days, and the blue line is my initial investment. So $1,000. I have not added or removed anything from this investment. The red is the meta price. It was trading kind of sideways here, and then it's now rallying up, and now we're seeing the market value. Look at that, the market value based on the rebasis and the accumulated APY. If you see that degree of angle from just the meta price, this is obviously a lot stronger because it made the same move plus the APY. So this is where you're getting those big gains in such a short amount of time. So overall, been extremely pleased. I definitely found a winner, and I'm gonna give it a few more days, and I expect this follow through to go on into tomorrow and possibly Monday. So we'll see where that goes. But in addition to that, even if it doesn't rally, I already have a nice buffer here. I have a nice buffer for me to continuously stay positive. So that's another thing to consider. So ecstatic about that. That's pretty much going to do it for this video. Overall, what it's like to be invested in Metaverse Pro. Extremely positive reviews here, up 80% in 5 days. You can't get that anywhere. I'm loving the action. And what do I think going forward? If you have not bought into this, just put a small starter position because it is now rallying. So you want to be careful. You still don't know what these DAO projects are going to do. So a starter position, a quarter position, or a third position to enter now would be okay. And if it dips back down, then you start scaling in and you dollar cost average. So far, thumbs up here, 2 thumbs up. And if you guys enjoy this free content, make sure to check the links under the description of this video. I have free Discord and also my Patreon link. If you guys found this of any value, you can be a channel supporter, and if this helped in any way. So thank you very much, guys. Wanted to make a nice quick update there on my Metaverse Pro position, and things are looking good. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.